Welcome back, guys. Barbecue Anytime here. Today we are doing shrimp tacos. Let's go. Today's cook is pretty easy. We have a lot more prep work involved with getting everything prepared to finish out the product. But we're doing tacos today. We're going to go ahead and show you our ingredients and show you the prep as we get ready for our shrimp taco. Like I said, super simple prep. By the time you know, we're going to have tacos ready to go.
Today we're pulling out the Weber Spirit. This is a great little grill. Pulled it out of retirement. Haven't used it recently. Been favoring the Pit Boss, but for grilling, this is a perfect opportunity to utilize it again.
Our shrimp marinade is ready to go. What you want to do is when you're loading up your shrimp, you want to hit it at 2 points so it doesn't spin around. So what we're doing is you hit it at the top and then on the tail. Once we put these on the grill, we're going to go ahead and let them cook. We're going to add some butter and garlic, just brush them on top just to intensify that flavor. Next to the grill.
Temps up, butter's going. Go ahead and throw these skewers on. Yeah. We'll let these sit, let them cook, and then we'll hit them with some butter. Tortillas a turn. Yeah. Looking good. Skewers are pretty hot. Let's check them. Yeah. These gloves, all for grill. Got these on Amazon. They work really well for heat, especially because these things, they are pretty hot with the grill closed. I do have this thing cranked up, so a set of gloves like this makes it real easy when you're working over the heat and having to adjust. So definitely recommend these. The link for these is in my video below. Both these are ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead, put them up here. Get them out of the way. The skewers are ready too. Man, they're looking good. Just want to hit them one more time with some of this heated butter. Looking good. You can see that. Yeah.
All right, everyone, tacos are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and get these prepped. We got our corn tortillas we cooked on the grill. We're gonna do 2 tacos side by side here. We'll go ahead, and I think we could pull one skewer to set up 2 tacos. So, ooh, it's still kind of hot. These are a little bit smaller on this side. Yeah. 1 skewer should make enough for 2 tacos. We have this slaw mixture. What it is, it's a salt and lime slaw. So cabbage here, just mixed, like I said, salt, lime. It's gonna go right on top here. There's some of that slaw. We're gonna top it with some additional cilantro. We have pickled jalapeños. Definitely gonna add some of those in here. A little baby one. My favorite, Queso Fresco. We have one more squeeze of lime. And we're gonna add our avocado salsa that we made earlier. Just squeeze some of that on here. Top this off. Since this is tequila shrimp, this is Terramana tequila on the rocks with a splash of fresh lime. So there you have it, guys. We have our shrimp tacos with all our fixings and a tequila on the side. Cool. These are super flavorful, definitely just the perfect amount of heat with that salsa, and then all the other combinations on top. Definitely a light meal, not too heavy. Definitely enjoy this. Thanks guys for watching. Cheers. Please like this video, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time. BBQANYTIME.